hindi po madaling gumawa ng ganitong klaseng drama.
Hindi nyo na mapipitawan kada character dahil special talaga ang binibigay ng bawat artista para sa mga role nila. So again, salamat.
Antayan niyo po sila kasi habang tumatakbo po yung kwento, it will all make sense.
It's very different from Yun Lang, story-wise and character-wise. Pero they were very open with regarding to the roles. Makikita mo talaga yung
the story. Even within the excitement and the high-octane drama and action, bakit lahat kayo mag-root pa rin doon sa dalawang characters to end up together? And I think that's the most rewarding kind of killing that you can offer the viewing public.
More than the skin, it's what's inside me and what I want to show to all my supporters. And kung kakaroon naman ng bagong supporters, maraming salamat po.
I'm so excited to see you stream the Best Ikaw Pop Pop.
My first party.